Hey guys, so I'm going to read this week's 5-a-day for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then I'll send you another link of the recording for Thursday's quiz. All right, so here's Monday, number 1. First, identify if the following sentence is a simile or a metaphor. Then, underline the two objects that are being compared to each other. Waves of spam emails filled her email account. All right, number 2, find the origin and meaning of the idiom. Then use it in a sentence. Hold your feet to the fire. The origin. This was used as a method for extracting confession. People were positioned in a manner that allowed the inquisitor to apply flames to feet of the accused. This was done until the accused confessed. The meaning, to hold one accountable for a commitment. All right, so you're going to come up with your sentence for hold your feet to the fire. All right, number 3, disinterested. Disinterested. The prefix, the base or root, and the suffix of disinterested. Number 4, circle the misspelled word and write it correctly in the space below. Number 4, so the 3 words, murmur, busy, and crystal. Number 5, choose the synonym for alter. Is it maintain, break, change, create? Okay, moving on to Tuesday, you can either stop now or, pick back up at 2 minutes and 15 seconds for Tuesday. All right. Number 1, select the correct verb tense. Then identify if the correct verb tense is past perfect, present perfect, or future perfect. Hope blank the car for more than 30 years before she decided to sell it. Had owned, has owned, will have owned. Hope blank the car for more than 30 years before she decided to sell it. Had owned, has owned, will have owned. All right, number 2. Circle the incorrect verb or verb phrase. Rewrite the sentence using the correct verb tense. This was the same trail he hikes for years. This was the same trail he hikes for years. Number 3. Choose a matching analogy. Spaghetti, pasta. Your options are A, foot, thigh, B, pig, cow, C, sport, hockey, or D, chips, snack. Number 4, use the correct capitalization, underlining, italics, or quotation marks for the following title: The Wall Street Journal newspaper. Number 5, add the correct affix or affixes to complete the sentence. After we camped for the night, we blank our tents and started hiking. And you're trying to correctly write the word assemble. All right. After we camped for the night, we blank our tent and started hiking. Assemble. Okay, that's it for Tuesday. Last but not least, Wednesday, number 1. Circle the definition that matches the word used in the sentence below. Passage. Number 1, noun, a part of a written work or piece of music. Number 2, noun, the act of or process of passing as through time from place to place. Or number 3, noun, a way through which to pass. Okay, so here's the sentence. The deep creases in his face clearly mark the passage of time. Number 2, add commas were needed to the text below. According to the study, many rainforest animals are becoming endangered. Number 3, circle the conjunction in the sentence and identify if it's coordinating or subordinating. I will find the markers and you can look for some watercolors. I will find the markers and you can look for some watercolors. So you're going to circle the conjunction and then you're going to check if it's coordinating or subordinating. All right, number 4. Combine the two sentences with the appropriate correlative conjunctions. Both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, whether or. Okay, I do not have the money to go shopping. I do not have the time to go shopping. I'm going to combine those two sentences together. Okay, number 5, circle the prepositions, preposition or prepositions, and cross out the prepositional phrase or phrases. And underline the subject once and the verb phrase twice. A stray dog without a collar ran through the neighborhood.